Welcome. Today is part 2 of the chapter Coordinate System and Straight Line in two-dimensional geometry. So last day we discussed about few important formulas and formula etc. Today I discuss that how to obtain the condition that three straight lines AIX plus BIY plus CI is equal to 0, I is equal to 1, 2, 3. That means A1X plus B1Y plus C1 is equal to 0, A2X plus B2Y plus C2 is equal to 0, and third one also. To find the condition, if these three straight lines are concurrent. Concurrent means, suppose this straight line, another straight line, this is the third straight line. If the three straight lines passes through a common point, then we say that the straight lines are concurrent. Determinant through determinant, by using determinant, this is very easy formula is that it is if A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3 is equal to 0. If this value of this determinant is 0, A1 is coefficient of x in the first equation and so on. If the value of the determinant is 0, then these three straight lines are concurrent. There is another shortcut method, and the method is if, but by solving any two equation of straight line, we get the point of intersection of the two straight lines. Suppose this is capital X and capital Y, this point. If this point passes through the third straight line, or rather the third straight line passes through same point, then also we can say that they are concurrent. Next, equation of bisector of angles between two given straight lines. Suppose A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0 and A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. Suppose these are two given straight lines. If they are not parallel, they will meet at a point. Suppose these are the two straight lines. This straight line is first straight line and this is second straight line, and this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Now any two straight line, if they meet, will make two angles. One is this, other is that. To find the equation of bisectors of the angles between any two straight lines, and equation of bisectors is A1x plus B1y plus C1 by root over of A1 square plus B1 square is equal to plus minus second straight line by root over A2 square plus B2 square. In fact, this is a constant term, this is another constant term. So this is a linear equation. Using say plus sign, we get this is equal to plus this. So it is a linear equation, a straight line. And these two straight line, one corresponding to plus and other corresponding to minus, they will give you the bisector of the angle between these two straight lines. Dotted straight lines are equation of bisector. Now this is straightforward. Just using the formula, you can obtain equation of two straight lines which are bisectors of the angle between this and that. One corresponding to positive sign and other corresponding to negative sign. Now from there, two very important points are there, and and often this type of problems are given in different competitive exam. Number one, find the equation of bisector of the angle which contains origin. Now you see, this angle contains origin, that angle does not contain origin. So we have to find specifically the uh, bisector bisector of the angle which contains origin. Origin is this. For that purpose, we have to use either plus sign or minus sign, for which the constant term C1 and C2 will be of same sign. Once again, the equation of bisector of the angle containing origin is the equation of bisector corresponding to either positive sign or negative sign, for which the constant terms on both sides are of same sign. Means, suppose 2x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0 is a straight line, and 3x minus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0 is another straight line. You have to find the equation of bisector of the angle which contains the origin. The equation of bisectors is 2x plus 3y minus 4 by root over of 4 plus 9, that is 13, is equal to plus minus, second one, 3x minus 4y plus 5 by root over 9 plus 16, 25, that is 5. Now, to identify which one is the equation of bisector of the angle containing origin. Now, we have to choose either positive or negative, and in such a way that constant term in left hand side and constant term in right hand side are of same sign. Same sign. Now this is negative, and you have to make this negative by using this or that. Now by using negative sign only, then this will be negative. So our answer is this is equal to that. Another important problem is to find the equation of bisector of acute angle between the straight lines. Between these two straight lines, this is one angle, this is another angle. Of them, if they are not perpendicular to each other, one of them must be acute, other must be obtuse angle. In this figure, this is acute angle. So we have to find the equation of bisector of the acute angle between this and that. So you have to find out this. There is no such straight cut method by observation. Uh, in this case, we have to find these two equations, this and that. Simplify any one of them. Suppose by using positive sign, you find an equation. Now find the angle between this angle and any straight line. Suppose this is phi. If this is an acute angle, then this must be less than 90 degree. Once again, if it is acute angle, then this angle must be less than 45 degree. Less than 45 degree. For the purpose, by using the formula tan phi is equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. If it is by using a plus sign, you have made it, suppose this is the one bisector, its gradient is m1, and take any as given straight line and let its gradient is m2, then find the angle. This angle, if it is that value, if it is less than 1, then corresponding to positive sign, the equation of bisector is the angle of bisector of the acute angle. If it is not less than 1, greater than 1, the other one will be, that is corresponding to negative sign, that will be the equation of bisector of the acute angle. Okay. So with this, I think most of the cases are discussed. Now let us solve few problems. Our first problem is so once again I tell you that the problems are easy, rather easier, but problems may be little bit lengthy. The first problem is, let P 2 minus 3 and Q minus 2 1 are vertices of a triangle PQR. The centroid of the triangle lies on 2x plus 3y is equal to 1. Then locus of R. It means PQR is a triangle. P point is this, Q point is that, R point is not given, let it is H comma K. And one thing is given, that centroid means point of intersection of the medians. They lies, point of intersection of the medians, centroid, this point, it lies on that straight line. Suppose this straight line is this. Then to find the locus of the third vertices. Suppose that the third vertex is H comma K. Therefore, centroid of the triangle PQR is, as you know, that it is equal to actually x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, and same for y-axis, y-coordinate, that is y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Therefore, h, I mean x, the x-coordinate of the centroid is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. That means they cancel. H is equal to 3x. Rather, x is equal to h by 3. Similarly, y coordinate is y, capital Y is equal to this plus k divided by 3. That is, k is equal to k is equal to 3y. Here is minus 2, so plus 2. And here is h is equal to 3x. Now, hk is the coordinate of centroid. Hk is the third vertex, and given that the coordinate of the centroid lies on that straight line, that is x and y, with capital X and capital Y, will satisfy this. That is 2 into capital X means, h by 3 plus 3 into capital Y, that is capital Y is k plus k minus 2 by 3. It must be equal to 1. So this 3 cancels. That is 2h plus 3 into k minus 2 is equal to 3. That is 2h plus 3k is equal to 3. Oh, options are not yet given. It is, 2h plus 3k is equal to minus 6. In that side it is plus 6, it is 9. So the locus of the third vertex, how to obtain locus of the third vertex? You have to replace h by x, that h by x, and k by y. So it is 2x plus 3y is equal to 9. In fact, option 1 is correct for that problem. Now, next problem. Problem number 2. Problem number 2 is if number of integral, not if, the number of integral values of n for which x coordinate a point of intersection of three x plus 4y is equal to 9 and y is equal to mx plus 1 are also integer. Options 1, 4, 2, 3. So let us see what is the meaning of that. Two equation of straight lines are given. This is first equation, all terms are known. And this is second equation, y is equal to mx plus c, m is unknown. We have to find the integral values of m for which the x coordinate of point of intersection this and that are also integer. Means, suppose this is a first straight line and suppose this is second straight line, y is equal to mx plus c. They will meet at a point. In meeting point, we have meeting point will contain m. So we have to find how many integral values of m, how many m are there which are integer, such that the point of intersection, in that point of intersection, x coordinate are also integer. Now solving this and that, we get 3x plus 4y. Y means that I am solving it. Mx plus 1 is equal to 9. That is 3 plus 4m into x is equal to 5. 9 minus 4, 5. That is x coordinate is 5 by 3 plus 4m. Now we get x coordinate of the meeting point and which contains m. We have to find how many m values of m are there, integral values of m are there. It means m is integer, x is also integer. How many are possible? Now you see, and because this is 5 and this is that, if both this is 5, this is 5, then we get one integer, value of x, one integer, 1. If this is 5, this is minus 5, then also we get one integer. If this is 1, 5 by 1 is another integer, 5 by minus 1 is also another integer, but no other values of the denominator are possible, so that this by that become an integer, because 5 is not divisible by any other number, either by 5 or by 1. 5 plus minus 5 or plus minus 1. Besides that, no values are there. Suppose this is 3 plus 4m is equal to 5. 5 by 5, so x is integer. M is equal to 2 by 4. 2 by 4, not an integer, so not possible. Suppose 3 plus 4m is equal to minus 5. Therefore, m is equal to minus 8 by 4 is equal to minus 2 is an integer. So one possible value is there. M is integer and this is also integer. So one value I get. Now take 3 plus 4m is equal to 1. In that case, m is equal to minus 2 by 4. Not an integer. So it is not possible. Last of all, take this is equal to minus 1. So 3 plus 4m is equal to minus 1. So m is equal to minus 4 by 4 minus 1. It is an integer. M is an integer. This case also this is an integer. So there are two values of integral values of m, so that the x coordinate of the point of intersection of this and that are also integer. So our answer is option 2. I mean, it is option C. Next, problem number 3 now. Problem number 3 is coordinate of 2 points on x plus y is equal to 4, which are at unit distance from 4x plus 3y is equal to 10. Options are -1, 5, 6 minus 2. 2 points. First option is this. Second option is 6, 0, 5, 1. Third option is 3, 1 and -7, 11. Fourth option is 3, 1 -7, 11. Oh, both are same. Actually, say, suppose this is 2. Let us see what is the problem. This is a straight line. This is another straight line. This one is this. We have to find 2 points on that. This is actually x plus y is equal to 4. We have to find 2 points on that. Suppose this is 1 point, this is second point. From there, perpendicular distance to that is 1. From this perpendicular distance, from this is 1. Magnitude of the perpendicular distance. Now, there is a formula from alpha beta point, the perpendicular distance on ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is a alpha plus b beta plus c divided by root over of a square plus b square. This is a straight line, this is a point. From that point, perpendicular distance on the second line is, to put actually a alpha plus b beta plus c divided by root over a square plus b square. Simply put x is equal to x coordinate, y is equal to that y coordinate, c intact, by root over a square plus b square. This is perpendicular distance. Now, suppose, just 1 minute, suppose any point on that is say alpha comma 4 minus alpha. How? Any point on that. You see, if you put x is equal to alpha and y is equal to 4 minus alpha, they will be satisfied. I obtain it like that. Take any point x is equal to any number alpha. So y will be 4 minus alpha. By solving this, we get that this is any point on that. It will help you because for taking any point, we must have 2 unknowns, alpha and beta. But here only one unknown, using one unknown alpha we get the point. It is known as parametric coordinate on that straight line. Parametric coordinate. It is very helpful. Suppose from that point perpendicular distance is 1. So by using that formula, 4 into x coordinate is alpha plus 3 into y coordinate, 3 minus alpha minus 10, because it should be taken into same side, by root over of 4 square plus 3 square is equal to 1. So it is that together is 4 alpha minus 3 alpha, that is alpha plus 3 by 5, this is 5, is equal to 1. Now you see, if that from this to that length is 1, from this to that length is on other direction, this should be minus 1. So better you take it as plus minus 1. So this is plus minus 1. Using plus sign, we get alpha is equal to, using plus sign, it is equal to 5 minus 3, that is 2, and using minus sign, it is minus 8. Alpha is equal to 2 and alpha is equal to minus 8. Minus 5 minus. So the required coordinate is alpha means 2 and 2. And using negative sign, this is minus 8 and 12. But it is not matching with any options. Let us check whether, okay. Just 1 minute. Let me check. 4, it is alpha, 4 minus alpha. 4 alpha from this point to that. 4 alpha plus 3 into, oh sorry, this is 4 minus alpha. I have mistaken there. 4 minus alpha minus 10 by that. So that 4 alpha minus 3 alpha plus 12. So using positive sign, they become alpha plus 12 is equal to plus 1 into 5 plus 10. So that alpha is equal to 15 minus 12 is 3. And using negative sign, it is alpha plus 12 is equal to 10 minus 5. That is alpha is equal to 5 minus 12 minus 7. So answer is corresponding to alpha is equal to 3. It is 3 comma 1, and using negative sign, it is 3 comma 7 plus 4 plus 7, that is 11. That is 3 1, 3 11 are the sorry. Actually, this one is alpha, that is minus 7 comma 13. That is points are 3 1 minus 7 13. 31 minus 7 11. Oh, bar time and time I am mistaking today. So this is the option 31 minus 7 11. So this option is correct. Correct. Option B is correct. Okay, let us stop today. And I would request you to please subscribe my channel and share the video with your friends. Thank you.